Foot odor, often referred to as stinky feet, is a common issue caused by sweat and bacteria interacting on the skin surface. It can be embarrassing and uncomfortable. Thankfully, there are simple steps you can take to tackle this problem and keep your feet smelling fresh. Purely Northwest Tea Tree and Peppermint Foot Soak. 100% natural. The perfect blend of tea tree, peppermint, and additional essential oils to address unwanted foot odor for those who are on their feet all day, along with athletes' foot tired and overworked feet. Purely Northwest Foot Soak is your ultimate at-home pedicure kit. It helps soften rough calloused skin, soothes cracked skin, eliminates foot odor, gives you baby soft feet with colossal rasp and finishing file. It is also amazing at keeping your nails clean, clear, and healthy. One of the top reviewed products on Amazon. Order from the description below. Say bye-bye to smelly feet forever.